Alright, here we have a 2000 Jaguar S-Type. Basically, customer ordered the keys from the dealer. Got two remote keys here. If you see, if I push buttons, nothing to happen. Actually, this one don't even look new. This one looks used. Now that I'm looking at it, alright, this one might be new. This one on the left might be used. But anyway, either way. See the key turns. Go ahead and program it a little bit. We'll come back. Alright, we're back. Everything programmed. Remote 1. Get this one to beep too. Remote 2. Unlock. This is what everybody wants to see. Will it start the engine? Yes, it will. So you have any questions, you need our help, keep in mind we do not provide free tech support. We're not going to tell you how to program keys or whatever. But if you're outside of Georgia, give us a call. We can do everything through the mail, but we're going to you have to send us some components from the vehicle. We do that with a lot of people overseas, military people that transfer, and that's about it. Or go to the website www.acmlocksmithgroup.com.